Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Maths by Samit Deshmukh. In this video we are solving questions from exercise 1.3. Already up to last video we have completed first 3 questions. So now let us try to solve the example from question number 4, and in each example from this question we have to show that value of dy by dx will be equals to what? Y by x. Means we have to show that the value of differentiation will be equals to what? Y by x. So observe the nature of the example. अगर आप ये नेचर या ध्यान में रखेंगे कि किस टाइप के एग्जाम्पल में डिफरेंशिएशन की वैल्यू y बाय x आ सकती है, तो ये सब आप शॉर्टकट टेक्निक्स बोल के कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में यूज कर सकते हैं. सो ऑब्जर्व द नेचर ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल एंड रिमेंबर दैट इन विच टाइप ऑफ एग्जाम्पल द वैल्यू ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन विल बी इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? y बाय x. सो इन द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल? x रेज़ टू पावर 7 इंटू y रेज़ टू पावर 5 इज इक्वल टू x प्लस y रेज़ टू पावर 12. इधर आप अगर ऑब्जर्व करेंगे x और y की टर्म प्रोडक्ट है, x और y के टर्म में क्या है? प्रोडक्ट. और यहाँ इस साइड में दोनों टर्म x प्लस y में यानी x और y में एडिशन है, isn't it? On this side product is there, on this side addition is there. If you observe the power very carefully, observe the power of x and y, 7 and 5. What is the addition of 7 and 5? 7 plus 5 will be equals to 12, and here the power of x plus y will be equals to 12. अगर इस फॉर्म में या एग्जाम्पल का नेचर यही होगा तो ऐसे केसेस में डिफरेंशिएशन की वैल्यू कितनी आती है? y by x. इफ सपोज दैट एग्जाम्पल इज सपोज दैट x रेज़ टू पावर m इंटू y रेज़ टू पावर n, तो फिर यहाँ पे x का पावर m है, y का पावर n है, तो इस साइड में x प्लस y का पावर क्या होना चाहिए? m प्लस n, isn't it? Because 7 plus 5 will be equals to what? 12. If the nature of the example is in this form, at that time always the differentiation will be equals to what? Y by x. So let us try to prove it. In this case we are applying logarithmic differentiation method for simplicity, because whenever we are taking log we are able to take power as an what? Coefficient, and if because of that differentiation becomes what? Easy. So here we are first taking log on both sides. So taking log on both sides, see what we'll get here. On this side we will get log of x raised to power 7 into y raised to power 5, and on this side we will get log of x plus y raised to power 12. Now we are applying laws of logarithm. We know that log a into b can be written as log a plus log b. So log x raised to power 7 plus log of y raised to power 5, and on this side applying laws of logarithm, power can be taken as coefficient. So simply we have taken this power as an what? Coefficient. So here simply power can be taken as an coefficient according to laws of logarithm. Again on this side also this 7 is a power which can be taken as an what? Coefficient. So take this power as an coefficient. So what we'll get here? 7 log x, and here what we will get? 5 log y. On this side 12 log of x plus y, keep it as it is. Now already the function is in the simplest form, so that's why we are differentiating it. So differentiate it with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x. On this side 7, keep it as it is. What is the derivative of log x? Will be equals to 1 by x plus 5, keep it as it is. So here derivative of log instead of x, y is there, means function is in the form of log f of x. And what is the derivative of log f of x? 1 upon f of x into derivative of f of x. So f of x कौन है यहाँ पे? y. So 1 upon f of x means 1 upon y into derivative of y means dy by dx. On this side 12 is a constant term, keep it as it is. This function is in the form of log f of x, so its derivative is 1 upon f of x means 1 upon x plus y into derivative of x plus y, isn't it? So here 7 into 1 by x will be equals to 7 upon x plus 5 into 1 by y is equal to 5 upon y. Dy by dx, keep it as it is. On the right hand side 12, keep it as it is. 12 into 1 upon x plus y will be equals to 12 upon x plus y, isn't it? and here derivative of x is 1 and derivative of y will be equals to what? dy by dx. In this way, differentiation we have completed. Now we have to simplify this equation and we have to show that simplest form will be, means value of dy by dx will be equals to what? Y by x. Now we are collecting the terms of dy by dx on one side and remaining terms on another side. Observe that this is one term of dy by dx and here also one term of dy by dx is there. But first we will multiply by 12 upon x plus y to both the term in this bracket. So if I am multiplying by 12 upon x plus y to first term, here we will get 12 upon x plus y. Plus, now I am multiplying to second term, 12 upon x plus y into dy by dx. Just simply multiply by 12 upon x plus y to both the terms in this bracket. Keep this left hand side as it is. Now we are collecting the terms of dy by dx on one side. Already we have observed that two terms of dy by dx are there. Just simply take dy by dx common from these two terms. If I am taking dy by dx common from this first term, so here its coefficient will be equals to 5 upon y. Plus, keep it as it is. Now this plus term on this side will become minus, isn't it? So what we'll get here? Minus 12 upon x plus y. Just simply two terms of dy by dx is there, first term and second term. We have collected the terms of dy by dx and we have taken dy by dx common from these two terms. Now collect all remaining term on the right hand side. So on the right hand side, keep 12 upon x plus y as it is, 12 upon x plus y, and this plus term on this side will become minus, means minus 7 upon x. So which is equals to, now take the cross multiplication, 12 into x will be equal to 12x and x plus y into minus 7 is minus 7x minus 7y, divided by, in the denominator what will get? X into x plus y. Just simply we have taken cross multiplication. On this side also if we are taking cross multiplication, let us see what we will get. X plus y into 5 will be equals to 5x plus 5y and y into minus 12 will be equals to minus 12y. चलो डिनोमिनेटर में क्या मिलेगा हमें? y into x plus y, isn't it? Now if you observe both the side very carefully, sorry, here keep this dy by dx as it is, dy by dx as it is, isn't it? Now observe both side very carefully. Can I cancel x plus y on both side? ये term divided है, इधर आके क्या होंगी? मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगी, तो x plus y और x plus y क्या हो सकते हैं? कैंसिल हो सकते हैं. चलो सिंप्लीफाई करो न्यूमरेटर को. Let us see what we'll get in the numerator. So only one term of x is there, 5x, keep it as it is. Two terms of y is there, collect these two terms. 5y minus 12y will be equal to minus 7y, and in the denominator what will get? Y, and here into dy by dx, keep it as it is, into dy by dx is equals to, on the right hand side let us see what we'll get. 12x minus 7x will be equals to 5x minus 7y, keep it as it is, and in the denominator x, keep it as it is, isn't it? So here also we can observe that we are able to cancel these two terms because are exactly same. So dy upon dx will be equals to, keep this 5x minus 7y upon x, keep it as it is, into y will get multiplied on this side and 5x minus 7y will get divided on this side, 5x minus 7y, isn't it? चलो अभी इसे सिंप्लीफाई करो. ये दो टर्म अगर कैंसिल कर दिए तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? dy by dx is equal to y by x. In this way we have proved that value of dy by dx will be equals to what? Y by x. Now see the second example. It is very similar to the first example. What is the power of x here? P. And what is the power of y here? 4. On this side, check that power of x plus y is addition of p and 4. Yes, p plus 4. Means this example is very similar to the last example. Last example में क्या थे? Power कुछ 5 और 7 था और 5 plus 7 ये side में क्या था? 12. So here also if this question can be asked as an what? Multiple choice question, easily we can say that its differentiation will be equals to what? Y by x. तो आपके पास ऐसे कुछ एग्जाम्पल का कलेक्शन होना चाहिए जो आपको कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में हेल्पफुल हो. So already we have seen that such type of example can be solved applying logarithmic differentiation method, means by taking log on both sides. So take the log on both sides. So what we'll get on the left hand side? Log of x raised to power p into y raised to power 4, and on the right hand side log of x plus y raised to power p plus 4. Now we are simplifying it, applying laws of logarithm, and after simplifying we will find out differentiation. So terms on this side is in the form of log a into b, which can be written as log a plus log b, means a is here x raised to power p plus log b, b is what, y raised to power 4. On this side, according to laws of logarithm, this power can be taken as an coefficient, means p plus 4 can be taken as an coefficient. So log of x plus y, keep it as it is. Now again, according to laws of logarithm, this power can be taken as a coefficient, so p is the power which we have taken as an coefficient. Here also 4 is the power which we are taking as an coefficient. On this side, keep the right hand side as it is, p plus 4 into log of x plus y, isn't it? Now we are differentiating it with respect to x, so differentiate it with respect to x. So let us try to find out differentiation of first term. P is a constant, so keep it as it is. What is the derivative of log x? Will be equals to 1 by x, plus keep it as it is. 4 is a constant, keep it as it is. Sorry, here y is there, so instead of x, y is there. So derivative of log y is 1 upon y into derivative of y is dy by dx. On this side, p plus 4, keep it as it is, and this function is in the form of what, log f of x, and its differentiation is 1 upon f of x. 1 upon f of x means 1 upon x plus y into derivative of x plus y, derivative of what, x plus y. So here p into 1 by x can be written as p by x plus 4 into 1 by y can be written as 4 upon y dy by dx, keep it as it is. On the right hand side, p into 1 upon x, p plus 4 into 1 will be equals to p plus 4. In the denominator, x plus y, keep it as it is. Now we are finding its differentiation. What is derivative of x? Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of y will be dy by dx. So now differentiation is completed. Every term is differentiated. Now only we have to simplify this equation to get our required result, that dy by dx is equal to y by x. So here one term, and on this side also one term of dy by dx is there. But before that, let us simplify this side, multiply by p plus 4 upon x plus y to both the terms in this bracket. See what we'll get. P plus 4 upon x plus y into what, 1 will be the same term. So, and now I am multiplying to the second term, that is p plus 4 upon x plus y into dy by dx. Well, now we are collecting the terms of dy by dx on the left hand side. Observe that this is one term and this is another second term of dy by dx. If I am taking dy by dx common from these two terms, so here its coefficient is 4 upon y. और दूसरी टर्म कौन सी है, dy by dx की, which is on the right hand side. So this is the second term of dy by dx. If I am collecting this term on the left hand side, this plus term on this side will become minus. Means what we'll get here, minus p plus 4 divided by x plus y. So we have collected the terms of dy by dx on the left hand side. Remaining terms we are collecting on the right hand side, which is the first term on the right hand side. So p plus 4 divided by x plus y, and this plus term on this side will become minus p divided by x. Okay, now let us simplify it. I'm just simply taking cross multiplication. Let us see what we'll get. X plus y into 4 will be equals to 4x plus 4y, and y into minus p plus 4 will be minus py minus 4y divided by x plus y, keep it as it is, into dy by dx also as it is. Since so later on we will simplify it. First we will take cross multiplication on the right hand side also. So x into p plus 4 will be px plus 4x, and x plus y into minus p will be minus px minus py. Just simply we have taken cross multiplication, and in the denominator see what we have got here, x plus y into what, y, and here in the denominator we will get x plus y into x. Just simply we have taken cross multiplication. Now check which terms on the both side will get cancelled. X plus y and x plus y will get cancelled. Again, if you will observe here, plus 4y and minus 4y will get cancelled, and here we can observe that plus px and minus px will get what? Cancel. Now observe the remaining two terms, which is the term in the numerator 4x minus py and in the denominator y into dy by dx. Keep it as it is. On this side 4x minus py, keep it as it is. In the denominator x also keep it as it is. Easily we can observe that these two terms will get cancelled, isn't it? Because both are same terms. So dy by dx is equal to 4x minus py divided by x. Keep this left hand side as it is. Using transformation, this y is divided, on this side it will get multiplied. So y divided by, और डिनोमिनेटर में क्या मिलेगा हमें? 4x minus py. ये टर्म मल्टीप्लाई, इधर आके क्या होगा? डिवाइडेड. सो नाउ these two terms will get cancelled. 4x minus py, 4x minus py, and we will get our required result that dy by dx is equal to what? Y by x, which is nothing but our required value of dy by dx. Now see the example number 3rd. In this example, if you'll observe here, what is the example? Sec of x raised to power 5 plus y raised to power 5 divided by x raised to power 5 minus y raised to power 5 is equal to a square. अगर यहाँ पे कोई और भी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन है, टोटल 6 ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन है, यहाँ पे कोई भी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन हो, लेकिन ये टर्म कौन से फॉर्म में होनी चाहिए? x raised to power n plus y raised to power n अपॉन x raised to power n माइनस y raised to power n. या तो ऐसे भी हो सकता है कि माइनस ऊपर हो और प्लस नीचे हो. इन सब केसेस में डिफरेंशिएशन की वैल्यू कितनी आती है? dy by dx. ऑलरेडी आई हैव टोल्ड यू. ऑब्जर्व द नेचर ऑफ द एग्जांपल इन विच केसेस द वैल्यू ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन इज व्हाट? y by x. आपके पास एक कलेक्शन होना चाहिए कि कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम अगर आप दे रहे हो तो किस टाइप के एग्जाम्पल्स में कौन से कि अगर एग्जाम्पल का नेचर क्या होने से डिफरेंशिएशन की वैल्यू कितनी आती है? dy by dx. तो ऐसा एक कलेक्शन होना चाहिए. ओके, होप यू हैव गॉट इट. इफ द नेचर ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल इज इन दिस फॉर्म, x raised to power n plus y raised to power n divided by x raised to power n minus y raised to power n, या तो फिर माइनस ऊपर हो सकता है, प्लस नीचे हो सकता है. और इन सब केसेस में डिफरेंशिएशन की वैल्यू क्या कितनी आ सकती है? dy by dx. When the value of differentiation is y by x, if here trigonometric function is there any, either sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, and but the very important thing, right hand side should be the constant term. अभी यहाँ पे trigonometric के जगह पे inverse trigonometric function भी आ गया तो भी चलेगा. At that time also the value of differentiation is what? Y by x. और if instead of trigonometric और inverse trigonometric अगर यहाँ पे logarithmic function या exponential function है, in this case also the value of differentiation is what? Differentiation is y by x. Only the important condition that right hand side should be a constant term. So here a is nothing but what? Constant. It is given to us. Okay, and in all these examples, method to solve the example is near about similar. So let us see how to solve this example. यहाँ पे अगर trigonometric है तो ये trigonometric function replace करने के लिए हमें inverse trigonometric function लेना पड़ेगा. कौन सा trigonometric function है? sec. So we are taking sec inverse on both side. तो हम यहाँ पे लिखते नहीं बैठेंगे taking sec inverse on both side. हम directly दोनों साइड में sec inverse ले लेंगे. तो अगर यहाँ पे हम sec inverse लेते हैं तो हमारे पास एक प्रॉपर्टी है that sec inverse of sec theta will be equal to what? Theta. So according to this property, if I am taking sec inverse on this side, so in short we can say that sec inverse and sec will get cancelled. So what is the remaining term? X raised to power 5 plus y raised to power 5 divided by x raised to power 5 minus y raised to power 5. And on this side if you are taking sec inverse, so here it will become sec inverse of a square. Just this result we have obtained by taking sec inverse on both sides. So hope you have got it. On the left hand side we have applied this property that sec inverse of sec theta will be equal to theta, and this property we have studied in class 11th. Even I have given we have already written all these properties also. Now let us simplify it. So here x raised to power 5 plus y raised to power 5 divided by x raised to power 5 minus y raised to power 5, keep it as it is. On this side, this sec inverse of a square I am denoting simply by k. Let us denote it by what? K. So for simplicity, after denoting this constant term by k, let us simplify it. On this side, x raised to power 5 plus y raised to power 5, keep it as it is. So I am multiplying by x raised to power 5 minus y raised to power 5 to k. So on this side, what will get? K into x raised to power 5 minus k into y raised to power 5, means this term will get multiplied to k on this side using transformation. अगर ये इस साइड में डिवाइडेड है तो ये साइड को क्या होंगी, वो मल्टीप्लाई. नाउ कलेक्ट द टर्म्स ऑफ x on one side and y on another side. On this side I am collecting the terms of y raised to power 5, you keep it as it is. This plus term or minus term on this side will become plus, so plus k into y raised to power 5. On this side, collect the terms of x raised to power 5, k into x raised to power 5, keep it as it is. This plus term on this side will become minus, means here plus x raised to power 5 on this side will become minus x raised to power 5. Now we are taking y raised to power 5 common from both the term. So here we will get 1 plus k into y raised to power 5, and if I am taking x raised to power 5 common, so here we will get k minus 1. So this can be written as y raised to power 5 divided by x raised to power 5. X raised to power 5 will get divided on this side. What is remaining term on this side? K minus 1 upon k plus 1. क्या किया हमने यहाँ पे एक साइड को वेरिएबल के टर्म कलेक्ट कर दिए और अनदर साइड में कांस्टेंट टर्म कलेक्ट कर दिए. यहाँ पे भी हम डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते थे, लेकिन सिंपलेस्ट और इजी एग्जांपल इजी करने के लिए हमने ये कोशिश की है. गेटिंग इट? तो यहाँ पे डिफरेंशिएशन के लिए क्वोशिएंट रूल अप्लाई करना है, यहाँ पे भी क्वोशिएंट रूल अप्लाई करना है, लेकिन अभी एग्जाम्पल क्या हो जाएगा, ईजी हो जाएगा. एंड ऑन दिस साइड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ कांस्टेंट टर्म विल बी इक्वल टू 0. दैट्स व्हाई कांस्टेंट टर्म वी हैव कलेक्टेड ऑन दिस साइड. गेटिंग इट? यहाँ पे भी आप डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हो, लेकिन यहाँ तक सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद अगर डिफरेंशिएट करते हो तो एग्जाम्पल ईजी हो जाएगा. अगेन लेट अस सिंप्लीफाई इट. So here, to replace this power 5, we have to take fifth root on both sides. If I am taking fifth root on left hand side, on this side we will get x upon y, and on the right hand side what will get? K minus 1 upon 1 plus k can be written as k plus 1 also, raised to power 1 by 5. होप यू हैव गॉट इट. अगर x का पावर n है और हमें nth रूट लेते हैं यहाँ पे, then n and n will get what? Cancel. So we have taken here fifth root here to eliminate what? 5 and 5. If we are taking fifth root means 1 by 5 on the left hand side also and on right hand side also, we will get such type of result. So simply we have got this result by taking fifth root on both side. If we are taking fifth root on left hand side, तो ये 5 पावर 5 एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा और इधर फिफ्थ रूट आ जाएगा. नाउ वी आर डिफरेंशिएटिंग इट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. सो डिफरेंशिएट इट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. On this side, to find out the differentiation, we are applying quotient rule. According to quotient rule, v as it is means x as it is into derivative of u means dy by dx minus u as it is means y as it is into derivative of v. What is v here? X. Divided by v square means square of x, and on the right hand side derivative of constant term will be equal to what? 0. Now simplify it to get our required result. Dy by dx is equal to y by x. So x, keep it as it is, dy by dx also as it is, minus y as it is. What is derivative of x? 1. And on this side x square into 0 will become 0. X square will get multiplied on the right hand side, and what is right hand side? 0. So x square into 0 will be equals to 0. So x into dy by dx, keep it as it is equals to minus y into 1 is minus y on this side will become plus y. So which implies that dy upon dx will be equals to what? Y divided by x. X will get divided on this side. In this way, we have shown that the value of differentiation will be equals to what? Y by x. Remember, this method we are using in case if this function is either trigonometric, inverse trigonometric, logarithmic or exponential. The important thing that right hand side should be a constant term. तो क्या करेंगे हम? ये फॉर्म में लाने के बाद अगर ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक है तो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक को एलिमिनेट कीजिए यूजिंग इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन. अगर यहाँ पे लॉग है तो लॉग यूजिंग लॉज ऑफ लॉगरिथम एलिमिनेट लॉग. अगर यहाँ पे एक्सपोनेंशियल है तो एक्सपोनेंशियल को एलिमिनेट करने के लिए लॉग लेना पड़ेगा. ऑल दीज थिंग्स वी विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट 3-4 example, but the important thing, this expression should be in the form of what? X raised to power n plus y raised to power n divided by x raised to power n minus y raised to power n. या तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि ऊपर प्लस है नीचे माइनस है, या तो ऊपर माइनस या तो फिर नीचे क्या होना चाहिए? प्लस. In all these example we are using same method. So let us try to solve the next means fourth example. Now see the example number 4th, which is very similar to the example number 3rd. In this case, inverse trigonometric function is there. So to eliminate this inverse trigonometric function, we are using this property that tan inverse of, here tan inverse is there, so we are taking tan on both sides. So tan inverse of tan theta, tan of tan inverse of theta will be equals to theta. तो हम simply कैसे remember करते, ये tan and tan inverse will get what? Cancel. तो ये tan inverse अगर हमें eliminate करना है तो दोनों साइड में क्या लेना पड़ेगा? tan. So using this property we are able to eliminate here tan inverse. So we are taking tan, if we are taking tan here, so tan and tan inverse will get cancelled. What is remaining term? 3x square minus 4y square divided by 3x square plus 4y square is equals to, on this side we will get tan a square. Just simply we have taken tan on both side. So now this is a constant term because what is our variable? X and y are our variable. तो यहाँ पे variable नहीं है, इसका मतलब ये कांस्टेंट टर्म है. लेट अस सिंपली, फॉर सिंप्लिसिटी आई एम डिनोटिंग दिस कांस्टेंट टर्म बाय व्हाट? के. सो 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 4y स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 4y स्क्वायर. व्हाट इज इट्स वैल्यू? tan a square. I am denoting it say by k, means I am supposing that this whole constant term will be equals to what? K. So therefore on this side what will get? 3x square minus 4y square is equal to, तो ये डिनोमिनेटर इधर k को अगर मल्टीप्लाई होता है तो क्या मिलेगा हमें? 3kx स्क्वायर प्लस 4ky square. Just simply this term will get multiplied with what? K. After that, on one side collect the terms of x and another side collect the terms of what? Y. So which is equal to, so this plus term on this side will become minus, means 3x square minus 3k x square, and this minus term on this side will become plus, means on this side we will get 4k y square minus plus 4y square. ये प्लस टर्म इधर माइनस हो गई और ये माइनस टर्म इधर प्लस हो गए. जस्ट वी हैव ट्राइड टू कलेक्ट द टर्म्स ऑफ x square on one side and y square on another side. Now I am taking x square common, or better way take, okay, if we are taking x square common, so what we will get here? X square if we are taking common, so here we will get 3 minus 3k. Even we are able to take 3 also common. If you want, you are able to take 3 also common. And on this side, if I am taking y square common, so what will get here? 4k plus 4y square. Now I am collecting the terms of variable on one side. Which are the terms of variable? Y and x. तो ये x square इधर आके क्या होगा? Divided. So which implies that, see what we are getting, y square divided by x square is equal to, which is the term on this side? 3 minus 3k. और ये जो term है इधर multiply इधर आके क्या होंगे? Divided. 4k plus 4 can also be written as 4 plus 4k. a plus b can be written as b plus a. So simply we have tried to collect the terms of variable on one side and a constant term on another side. Why? Because if we are differentiating both sides, derivative of constant term will become what? 0. Parallelly हम अगर ये या अभी हम differentiate कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे भी हम differentiate कर सकते हैं, लेकिन एग्जाम्पल बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा. तो सिंप्लीफिकेशन में हो सकता है कि रिजल्ट तो यही मिलेगा, लेकिन सिंप्लीफिकेशन प्रॉपरली बहुत एफर्ट्स लेने पड़ेंगे सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए. यहाँ पे भी डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हो by applying quotient rule on this side, but again for simplicity So we are trying to eliminate these powers. What is the power here? Square. So to eliminate the square, simply we are taking square root on both sides. So let us see what we will get if we are taking square root of left hand side. So square will get eliminated, so remaining term will be y by x, and on that side if we are taking square root, here we will get square root of 3 minus 3k divided by 4 plus 4k, isn't it? Just we are trying to eliminate this power. अगर यहाँ पे power 3 होता था तो हम क्यूब रूट लेते थे, अगर 10 है तो 10th रूट लेते थे. As it stands, what is the power here? Square. So that's why we have taken square root on both sides. Now we are differentiating both sides with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x. On this side, to find out differentiation, apply quotient rule. According to quotient rule, v keep it as it is means x as it is, derivative of y means dy by dx, minus v as it is means y as it is into derivative of u. What is u here? X. So dx derivative of x. Again observe, v as it is derivative of u minus u as it is derivative of v, divided by v square. Divided by v square means divided by x square, because v is here x. On this side constant term is there, so we can say that differentiation of constant term is 0. So x into dy by dx, keep it as it is, x into dy by dx minus y as it is. What is derivative of x? Derivative of x with respect to x will be equals to 1, and here x square into 0 will be equals to 0. So let us simplify it. X into dy by dx, keep it as it is, minus y into 1 is minus 1, minus y on this side will become plus y, and this implies that dy by dx will be equals to y, x multiply इधर आके x divided होगा. So what will the value of dy by dx will be equal to y by x. In this way we have shown that the differentiation will be equal to y by x. Now see the example number 5th. In this example, what is the function? Cos inverse of 7x raised to power 4 plus 5y raised to power 4 divided by 7x raised to power 4 minus 5y raised to power 4 is equal to tan inverse of a. So here we are trying to eliminate what? Cos inverse. And to eliminate this cos inverse, we have to take cos on both sides. If I am taking cos on left hand side, cos and cos inverse will get cancelled. Here we will get 7x raised to power 4 plus 5y raised to power 4, और डिनोमिनेटर में हमें क्या मिलेगा? 7x raised to power 4 minus 5y raised to power 4. And if you are taking cos on this side, so on this side we will get cos of tan inverse of a. Let us denote it say by k. Why we are denoting it by k? Because it is a constant term. Because why we are saying that it is constant term? Because variable does not appear. Which are the variable? X and y are the variable. Since x and y does not appear on this side, that's why we are saying that it is constant term. For simplicity, I am denoting this constant term by what? K. So here 7 x raised to power 4 plus 5y raised to power 4, keep it as it is. This denominator will get multiplied to k on the right hand side. If I am multiplying to it by k, so what will get? 7k x raised to power 4 minus 5k y raised to power 4. Just this term will get multiplied with what? K. Now I am collecting the terms of x square on one side and y square on another side. So 5y square, keep it as it is. This minus term on this side will become plus 5k y raised to power 4. On this side 7k x raised to power 4, keep it as it is, and this plus 7x raised to power 4 on this side will become minus 7x raised to power 4. If I am taking y raised to power, sorry, here y raised to power 4 is there, by mistake I have written 2, so try to understand it. Now if I am taking y raised to power 4 common, so here also y raised to power 4 is there, powers are 4 in all the cases. So here if I am taking y raised to power 4 common, so here what will get? 5 plus 5k, and on this side if I am taking x raised to power 4 common, so here we will get 7k minus 7, isn't it? Now we are collecting the terms of variable on one side. Which are our variable? Y and x. So collect these terms on one side. X, y raised to power 4 divided by x raised to power 4. And constant term we are collecting on this side. 7k minus 7 divided by 5 plus 5k, isn't it? Now वी आर एबल टू डिफरेंशिएट, यहाँ पे भी हम डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे भी हम डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हैं यूजिंग क्वोशिएंट रूल। लेकिन हम हमारी कोशिश यही रहेंगी कि फंक्शन को सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में लाएं एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल डिफरेंशिएट टू अगेन वी आर एबल टू convert it in the simplest form just by eliminating this power. What is the power here? Fourth. If we are taking fourth root on both sides, so this power 4 will get eliminated and on this side we will get fourth root. यानी हमें दोनों साइड को क्या लेना पड़ेगा? fourth root. If I am taking fourth root on the left hand side, so here power 4 will get cancelled according to laws of exponent, laws of indices. And on the left hand side we will get 7k minus 7 divided by 5 plus 5k. Just simply we have taken fourth root on both sides. Now we are differentiating it with respect to x. So let us find out differentiation of left hand side applying quotient rule. So क्या मिलेगा हमें क्वोशिएंट रूल से? v as it is, v बोले तो x into derivative of u. U is what? Y here minus u means y as it is into derivative of v. What is v here? X divided by v square. क्या है v की वैल्यू यहाँ पे? x square. Just we are substituting the values in the quotient rule and on this side differentiation of constant term will be equal to 0. Now let us simplify it. X into dy by dx, keep it as it is, minus y also as it is, derivative of x with respect to x is 1, x square into 0 will be equal to 0. So x into dy by dx, keep it as it is, minus y on this side will become plus y, which implies that dy upon dx will be equals to y by x. So isn't it? Method to solve all the example will be same, isn't it? So let us try to solve the next, means sixth example. Now observe the function here, logarithmic function is there, and to eliminate this log we have to apply the definition of logarithmic function, isn't it? तो एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म सब कंसीडर कीजिए कि ये एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म है, a raised to power x is equals to b, isn't it? जैसे कि हमें पता है 10 cube is equals to what? 1000. सो सच टाइप पावर अगर आ गया तो इसे हम कौन सा फॉर्म बोलते हैं? एक्सपोनेंशियल. नाउ दिस एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू लॉगरिथमिक फॉर्म यूजिंग डेफिनेशन ऑफ लॉगरिथम. सो इट कैन बी रिटन एज log of b टू द बेस a. log of b बेस क्या है यहाँ पे? a is equals to what? x. So this is the definition of what? Logarithm. This exponential form we are able to convert it into logarithmic, or sometimes logarithmic form can be converted into exponential. तो depend करता है कि nature of example कैसे, उसमें हम ये definition apply कर सकते हैं. अभी हमें क्या करना है कि हमारा example logarithmic form में है और ये logarithmic log eliminate करने के लिए हमें दोनों साइड में क्या लेना, हमें ये log eliminate करने के लिए उसे exponential form में convert करना पड़ेगा. गेटिंग इट? तो यहाँ पे भी क्या मिलेगा हमें? log ऑफ b बोले तो क्या है यहाँ पे? 1000 टू द बेस व्हाट? 10 इज इक्वल्स टू 3. इन दिस वे एक्सपोनेंशियल कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू लॉगरिथमिक और लॉगरिथमिक कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू एक्सपोनेंशियल. नाउ हियर नथिंग इज इन द बेस. यहाँ पे बेस 10 था, यहाँ पे बेस में कुछ भी नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. इसका मतलब ये कौन सा लॉग है? नेचुरल लॉगरिथम. सो यहाँ पे बेस में कुछ भी नहीं, इसका मतलब इट इज कंसिडरेबल दैट बेस ऑफ लॉगरिथम इज व्हाट? e. इन केस ऑफ कैलकुलस बोले तो ये जो हमारा सेकंड पेपर चल रहा है, सो इन केस ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन और इंटीग्रेशन और लिमिट्स, continuity, in all these cases if nothing is given in the base, so it is considerable that base of logarithm is what? e. Not necessary to write e. तो हमारा एग्जाम्पल अब ये फॉर्म में है. सो वी आर ट्राइंग टू कन्वर्ट इट इन द एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म. तो यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा हमें? a raised to power x. What is a here? a means base, so a means e raised to power x की वैल्यू यहाँ पे कितनी है? 20 आ गया. ये a raised to power x, a is nothing but base, यहाँ पे बेस e है तो e raised to power 20 is equals to b. तो b की वैल्यू log of b बोले तो ये हो गया log of b टू द बेस e. तो ये b हो गया x raised to power 20 minus y raised to power 20 divided by x raised to power 20 plus y raised to power 20. This result, it is in the form of log of b to the base a is equal to x. log ऑफ b, यानी ये हो गया b हमारा, b इज इक्वल टू a रेस्ट टू पावर x, a की वैल्यू e है और x की वैल्यू यहाँ पे 20 है. जस्ट सिंपली यूजिंग दिस डेफिनेशन वी हैव कन्वर्टेड लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ व्हाट, एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन. सो दिस साइड मीन्स e रेस्ट टू पावर 20 is constant term. Let us denote this constant term say by what, k. Why we are saying that it is constant? Because variable x and y does not appear on the right hand side, so that's why we can say that it is constant term. So in this way we have eliminated what, log. तो आपको ये e लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. It is considerable that base of logarithm is what, e. Again 1-2 examples are there in which we have to use this definition of logarithm. So note down this definition also. Now this remaining part of this example we have to complete just like the last 2-3 example. So here x raised to power 20 minus y raised to power 20, keep it as it is. और ये डिनोमिनेटर k को अगर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है तो क्या मिलेगा हमें, k into x raised to power 20 plus k into y raised to power 20. Now collect the terms of x on one side, so x raised to power 20 minus k x raised to power 20. Just on the left hand side we have collected the terms of k. On the right hand side collect the terms of y. So k into y raised to power 20, this minus term on this side will become plus y raised to power 20. Now taking x raised to power 20 common from both the terms, so what we'll get here, 1, and here we will get k. 1 minus k. If we are taking y raised to power 20 common from both the term, here coefficient is k and here coefficient is 1. Now on one side collect the terms of variable, and on another side collect the constant terms. So here y raised to power 20, keep it as it is, divided by x raised to power 20. And on this side 1 minus k, keep it as it is, and here k plus 1 will get divided just using transformation. constant term एक साइड में कलेक्ट किए, वेरिएबल के टर्म्स एक साइड में कलेक्ट किए. अब यहाँ पे पावर 20 है, 20 अगर हमें एलिमिनेट करना है तो हमें दोनों साइड को क्या लेना पड़ेगा, 20th रूट. सो ओके, दिस डेफिनेशन वी हैव टू अप्लाई. सो ओके, चलो बाद में लिख लेंगे हम वापस से सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल में. नाउ टेकिंग 20th रूट ऑन बोथ साइड. सो if we are taking 20th root on right hand side we will get y by x, and if we are taking 20th root of left hand side we will get 1 minus k upon 1 plus k. Denominator is what, k plus 1, which can be written as 1 plus k raised to power 1 by 20. Just we have taken 20th root to eliminate what, this power 20. Now we are differentiating both sides with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x. So already this method we have applied in last 2-3 example. Apply quotient rule. V as it is, derivative of u means what, y. Derivative of y is dy by dx plus y, keep it as it is, derivative of x is equals to, or divided by v square means derivative of x. V square means derivative of x is x square, and derivative of this constant term is 0. X into dy by dx, keep it as it is. Here sorry, minus is there because according to quotient rule here minus is there, minus y. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1, x square इधर आके 0 को मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, 0 into x square is 0. So dy upon dx will be equals to minus y will become plus y, और x multiply इधर आके divided हो जाएगा. In this way we have got the value of dy by dx will be equals to what, y by x. Now see the example number 7. In this example we are trying to eliminate exponential function here using what, definition of logarithmic function. So according to definition of logarithmic function, exponential function means a raised to power x is equals to b can be converted into logarithmic form as log of b to the base a is equal to what, x. As it stand this function is in this form, a raised to power x, a raised to power x is equal to b. तो अभी ये logarithmic exponential form को, इस exponential form को हम logarithmic में convert कर रहे हैं. तो क्या मिलेगा हमें, log of b. चलो log of b, b की वैल्यू यहाँ पे क्या है, a to the base, base क्या है यहाँ पे, e टू द बेस ई इज इक्वल टू एक्स, एक्स बोले तो क्या पावर, तो ये जो पावर है e रेस टू पावर x रेस टू पावर 7 माइनस y रेस टू पावर 7 डिवाइडेड बाय x रेस टू पावर 7 प्लस y रेस टू पावर 7. जस्ट सिंपली वी हैव अप्लाइड दिस डेफिनेशन. ये जो लॉग की टर्म है वो राइट हैंड साइड में लिए और ये पावर जो है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लिया है. गेटिंग इट? सो वी हैव अप्लाइड दिस डेफिनेशन ऑफ logarithm to simplify it. Hope it is clear to you. So here x raised to power 7 minus y raised to power 7 divided by x raised to power 7 plus y raised to power 7 means we are not disturbing to left hand side. So here we will get log a, not necessary to write e in the base, because if you are not writing anything in the base, it is considerable that base of logarithm is what? E. So denote this constant term, say by what? K. So we are denoting log A is nothing but constant term, simply denoted by K. Now use the method which you have applied in last 2-3 example. तो हम क्या करते हैं, x raised to power 7 minus y raised to power 7 as it is, ये denominator इधर k को multiply हो जाएगा तो k into x raised to power 7 plus k into y raised to power 7, just this denominator will get multiplied with k. Now collect the terms of k, x on one side and y on another side. X raised to power 7 minus k into x raised to power 7. Now collect the terms of y on another side. This minus term will become plus on this side, y raised to power 7 plus k into y raised to power 7. Simply take x raised to power 7 common from both the term. Here we will get 1 minus x, and on this side take y raised to power 7 common, so here we'll get 1 plus k. So now collect the constant term, sorry here k is there, 1 minus k, keep it as it is, divided by 1 plus k. We have collected constant term on one side and terms of variable means y raised to power 7 upon x raised to power 7 on another side. After that, to eliminate this power 7 from numerator and denominator, we have to take 7th root on both sides, because power is what? 7. If I am taking 7th root of this right hand side, so 7 will get eliminated, remaining term is y by x. Since we have taken 7th root on right hand side, take the 7th root of left hand side, means in the left hand side what will get? 1 minus k divided by 1 plus k raised to power 1 by 7. Simply we have taken 7th root. Now we are differentiating it with respect to x. So differentiate it with respect to x. So on this side find out the differentiation applying quotient rule. So what will get? V as it is. V means what? X as it is. Derivative of u means derivative of y minus y as it is into derivative of x. Just simply we are substituting the values in the quotient rule, divided by v square. On this side derivative of constant term is 0, so x into dy by dx, keep it as it is, minus y as it is, derivative of x is 1, x square on this side will get multiplied with 0, x square into 0 is 0, here x dy by dx, keep it as it is, minus y into 1 is minus y, on this side it will become plus y, which implies that dy by dx will be equals to x इधर आके क्या होगा? Divided by x by y. In this way we have got the value of dy by dx will be equals to what? Y by x. Now let us try to solve the last example from this question. Now see, this is the 8th example. What is example? Sin x cube minus y cube divided by x cube plus y cube is equal to a cube. Here we are trying to eliminate what? Sin. तो sin को eliminate करने के लिए दोनों साइड को हमें क्या लेना पड़ेगा? sin inverse. अगर यहाँ पे sin inverse लेते हैं तो sin eliminate हो जाएगा. We will get this expression here, and on this side we will get sin inverse of a cube. Just simply take sin inverse. तो sin inverse of a cube को हम अगर k से denote करते हैं तो हमारा example इस form में आता है, isn't it? Just 7 के जगह पे क्या होगा? यहाँ पे 3 होगा. And the method which we applied in the last example, later on apply this method which we are applying from last 2-3 example. You are able to show that value of dy by dx will be equal to what? Y by x. Since the example is very similar to the last 3-4 examples, so I will left this example as a practice for you. So in this way we have completed all the example from question number 4. If you think that these videos are helpful to you, so please like the videos and and share these videos with your friend. In the next video, we will try to solve the example from next question, question number 5.